Well, good morning. Welcome back to Nacho Stuff, where we scour the streets for goodies like this. Oh, look at this. It's a car part drive shaft, right? It looks like it's probably aluminum. This was an air conditioner. We should break it down a little bit. The computers from yesterday. Hopefully we don't get all the rain we had yesterday today. But I wasn't expecting rain yesterday either. It's still beautiful blue right now. There's little benches in here too. Yeah. Chairs, benches, and a possible TV. We still got a TV we haven't figured out what we're gonna do. We didn't pick up plugs. We actually don't have any plugs right now. This one does not have it either. Let's see. 17. It's right on the cusp. He might take that still. We'll put her up here. And the ones that, if we see him today, we might have him take a look at. See how strict he's getting. Now that he's back to buying sets. For those of you that don't know what I'm talking about, I've got a TV guy that used to buy TV sets for me as long as they light up. He'll buy them for 10 bucks a screen, which is way better than scrap value if they light up. I normally test them first, but I don't have the proper cords for those, and the cords run out there, so. Anywho's, let's get after today. See what kind of junks we can find. Hopefully we stuff her and get home around lunchtime, but we'll see what the streets have for us. Onward. Feels much more like a traditional scrap day. I don't know why, but this is gonna be a Weber grill. The outside of this should be aluminum. Oh, you're heavy. Wow, that's heavy. For what it is, it's heavy. Oh, there the phone ringing again. Be an AC guy, be an AC guy. We'll find out. It's probably one of my son's schools saying, buses are lit today. Just like every day. Hoo-yah! Onward. Man, I hope it stays like this all day. It has not been thick, but there's stuffs out here, which is nice. I know, that's where my TV was, but hey. We gotta pack efficiently. I have a feeling about today. Oh, creep. Don't do that. Don't do that. No, what did you do that for, Matt? Come on, bro. The guy looked at his garage like, who that guy talking to? I'm talking to myself, bro. And you guys. I'm talking to you guys too. No! Dang it. Come on, bro. Right, like such. Onward. All right, another beacon. I don't know how heavy it's gonna be. Looks like the motor might be out of this one. My TV guy already called me this morning and said, hey, those TVs from yesterday are still out. No, I got it, thank you though. And he said, you gotta come get him. So we're gonna, oops, wrong way. Wrong way. No, that's the right way. Come on, baby. Whoa. Come on, over the gate. So we're gonna probably jog over there and grab his stuff. See if he wants those too. And then we'll come back to our route. Because 7 TVs is probably a couple 100 pounds, I think. Thanks again. You as well. Onward. But we're not skipping our first Christmas of November. No way. First November Christmas in a trailer. Onward. Just be the shell. It is. Look, they got the motors off of it. They got the door off of it. We're still going to take it. It can be used as a holding vessel. At least for now. All right. Back to the regular hunting. So we stopped by our TV guy and picked up the 7 sets that he had right here. Both of mine lit up, but one of them had something. He said, I think it had a bad strip of bulb. So he only bought one of the 2 that I had, although they both lit up. So it was $10 for that set. The reason why I sell, for those of you that might be new to this, the reason why I sell to the TV guy is he parts them out and sells them for parts. And so he's able to make a little bit of money. We're able to repurpose the TV set, and we make a little bit more money because the TV set, even a larger one, is definitely going to be under 100 pounds, and it's probably going to be closer to 40 to 50 pounds unless it's a big one, which is going to pay like $3, maybe 4 if you're on a good day. So when you get 10, you're more than doubling your money. So we try to get the lighted ones to our TV guy. All right, let's get after it. Ourselves a little golf dragger. Often aluminum, probably. Yep, she is. Sweet. Guy, I thought it was gonna be like teak. It's not. It's a big old metal cabinet rack rolly thing of some sort. Looks like teak, right? The right coloration. It's not. It's probably stainless right there, right? In a motor. And some election signs. Without the election things on there. That's what those are, right? Or yard signs. Whatever you want to call them. Come on, guys. Go in there. You can go in there. You, my friend. Ooh-yah! You can come in here like such. Sweet. Onward. Big pile of garbage, doesn't it? But I think there's a tire back here that's aluminum. Come on, be aluminum. Ugh. Maybe, maybe not. Oh no, you're aluminum. It's 850 right there. Are you? Fiberglass. We'll take these big old chunks of metal, whatever they are. Can we get it over there, you think? 1, 2, 3, go! No! Not a very good roll, Matt. Oh yeah! I'm gonna double check this just to make sure. Ah, she's steel. That's why she's out here. Yeah, I'm not taking that off to get my little $1 or 2 out of that one. We'll take these other consolation prizes though. Come on through, peoples. All right, let's move. Hopefully we're not gross. No gross, no gross. Yeah. Not gross. Not new, but not gross. I'll take you too. My bucket. Okie dokie. Score. So I think it's a futon and a dishwasher. You, my friend, can come right. Ooh, almost got me. Missed me. Mr. Wet Water. Wet water, what's that? Is there a dry? Oh, looky, Americanos. I saw some brothers. I'll put you in the bucket. Didn't even see those. You can go there, I guess. This will be our other side, I guess. Our second impromptu wall. Maybe an impromptu roof. I know. You guys love the way I say that, don't you? Could be a roof, but I like the roof. Yeah. Onward. We got 2 chandeliers or 1? 1. We'll take ya. Whoa! See that glass try to break on me? Dirty bird. Of course we find TVs after we found the TV guy, but I think this is too thick. I think it's gonna be too old. It's got the platform. 11, definitely too old. I'm not mad now. Ooh. Shink. Get right yonder. No, you stay in there. Got a pile of lights, possibly aluminum. Possibly not. I'm not sure. I don't think they are. They might be though. See that rust? Not promising. We can go down there too. Just wait. This could be good. Oh, I don't think it's any good stuff. Like non-ferrous wise, but it's gonna be great for weight. They're all brackets, and what are these? Those look steel. Nice weight though. We might have to go into the back with these, because I don't want them dumping all over the place. Let's see here. See if we can't get them propped up in here properly. There's a little bit of copper in this one. Whoa. These buckets are in rough shape too. Oopsie daisy. It's a Vitamixer. Although this stop is not super fun, it's probably the most profitable stop of the day. Because that's some nice weight in here, kids. Oh, where are we gonna go with you? Oh, you're not as heavy. You can come over yonder. Ooh. We just cleared out this whole pile, like the official garbage guys. Let's turn it this way. There we go. I might have to move that. I think this one works. It's pretty old. All right, let's roll. Oh, the old coach lights in here? I hope so. It's pretty heavy. Oh, they're in here. Sweet. These things are ginormous too. Come on, brother. Let's not make a mess. Oh, come on. Got stuff coming out the bottom's gonna break. This box is wet, which doesn't help. You guys can stay here, I guess, since you're already starting to fall out. Okay, these guys will be aluminum. You guys come here. Dang it, we don't have a garbage can. There we go. You guys can come back in here. Here we go. Little non-ferrous. Second one can go right there too, I think, right? Ciao. Maybe not. Put you here. That's good. Onward. Anybody need a mongoose? This has got nice big old rims or welds on it. And it says aluminum on it. Think she's aluminum? I think she is. It's changed for a mongoose. I don't know. We might take this home to the boys. It work. Tires are a little flat. I don't know. We'll get to decide on this one too. My boys keep fighting over the bikes that we have at the house. Even though we got more bikes than kids. I don't get it. Little pile of scrap here. A couple of vacuums. Ooh, we're gonna punch you. Yeah. Starting to run out of room, guys. We're going to move that strap. Gonna have to move the strap. What else we got? What else we got? Hi. Ah, look at that. The door's unlocked, everything. I just told you, I think I done figured it out. Let's go. I think this is metal. We just gotta figure out how we're gonna get it in. It's a mess. Looks like a shed that caught on fire. Something caught on fire. find out which ones are metal and which ones are not. Ah, wasn't it? Is this a grill? No. I don't know that I want to go after that. This was inside, I think. Gosh, they done had a fire inside. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna take this fan. Oh my gosh, this was underneath the, or above the fire. Fanning the fire, as they say. Anywho's, we're fans of fans here at Nacho Stuff. So take a moment and smash that like button, because that is what we do when we find a fan. Hashtag fan of a fan. I think we're gonna take these pots and call it a day. This stuff is just asking for trouble. These are gonna be non-ferrous, I think. Actually, it looks like there's a little wire down there. We're running out of nooks. I have to look for some crannies. I want to see that's wire before we get out of here. I forget. Because you know me, I will certainly forget. Oh, it's a hose. Yeah, I think this might have been a grill. On a wood table. Inside. Right. But they have a wood table outside? No. Oh, where are you going to go, brother? Come on, give me a nook or a cranny. No! Nope. No scrap left behind. Onward! Guys, we've made it to the yard. 40 minutes to get in here today. I don't know what's going on, man. We need to change some systems here, I think. Thousand tiny pieces. All these other guys waited just as long to throw off a pickup truck full. I would not be happy, man. There's a little bit of brass on here, but I'm not going to change that today. Double check this stuff. See if there's anything good in here. We'll keep you. Seen better days. Hey, look, a pipe wrench. Some brass. How'd that lock? Oh, there you go. Maybe we'll keep those too. Okie dokie. You're going. It looks like a sewer cap. Pretty fancy one at that. You never follow the rules. How you doing, brother? Doing well?
Yeah.
I think that might be a motor. I don't think there's anything else there. Oh yeah.
I see it so nice. I haven't seen a scratch. Maybe just one or two.
There's some scratches on the back.
Very few, man.
I try not to beat her up any more than I have to.
I'm very proud of you.
That ain't steel. I'm gonna dump this one too. This one's got some nice bolts and such in it. What do we got in here? I don't know what those are used for. Used to go. Not great. I'll call it that. Didn't I push that down? Come on, bro. Go! And here comes the rain. Stainless. I don't know that I'm gonna take this thing apart. Pretty crusty. We might get to it though. All right. think we've got our car cleared now. Let's move these guys over here before we bury them. Whew. Come on. Get. This is the same chair that gave me a hard time earlier today. Whoa. That's slippery when wet. These had wire in us, contemplating trying to figure out how to get them out. Might smash that a couple times, see if they'll come out. I think it's what's it called? Metal detector, I think. Not metal. Yeah, metal. But like not to search for stuff, but like for security purposes. That guy over there has just a load of washers and dryers every day. I think you'd find a contact, get better dollars for those, but guess not. I don't know if this is, we've got a little bit of wire on it. Oh, he's got stoves today. It's probably the same place that had the refrigerators, washers and dryers, and microwaves from yesterday. Oh, that's a wheel to that cart. Okay. Wow, that was a weak trim job. I guess they're both. Yep. There's a nice motor in this one. To chase or not to chase? That's the question. Maybe. Maybe before we get out of here. Forgot we had that grill. Why is that opening back? Oh, because I got my keys in my back pocket. It was raining and I closed my window. I didn't want to get locked out. And I keep bumping the open the back. That's what the problem is. Aluminum. The question is that a scooter? Is this a scooter, guys? I think it should count as a scooter if it's aluminum. What do you think? It says trike on the side, though. She's steel anyways. stuff off of you. Here we go. Whew. These I checked. Pretty sure I checked. This is the only piece that's aluminum. It's the end. We'll double check though. Steel. Yeah, just the little tip part is aluminum. We're not chasing those. Callback hammer, come on. Whew. That's aluminum. Those are nails. This one dumped. Beautiful. Gotta love that. Come on, man. I don't remember checking those, but they feel pretty steely. And they are. Oh, those were where those big screws were at. I thought that when I went through, this is where the screws are at. Should we keep them? For what? Is the question. For what? Keep these 2 feet. What are you? Don't know. You might want to unload it. You might want to unload it. Got some nice motors over there. See my nitrogen maker, those ones that's gonna break apart one a day? Yeah, it's not happening. I tell you, my storage unit's a disaster. But I've been too tired from all the moving stuff to deal with it. Whew. Oh gosh. Look what the cat drug in. You're going the wrong way. I'm the only one that follows the rules around here. Yeah, took me 45 minutes to get in here today. Have a good one, brother. My water bottle. things. Oh, man. Okay. Jeffy said this was shred. I don't know, that stuff looks pretty uptype. Yeah, it says the guy that took the tire across the street and said this is aluminum. That guy. You can't tell me that's not aluminum. Come on, man. This doesn't look aluminum, but I don't know. I'll have to gander it then. He was Kev. He's more of an expert than I am. All right, this has a little bit more work to get done. A little more work to get done. We're gonna get the grill, we're gonna get the motors off the dishwasher, get all this crap back up in here, and we'll catch you guys over at Jeffrey's once we get this wire. Oh, look at that, it came right off. Bang. All right, kids, catch you over at Jeffrey's. Let's do some NFC. A big old rad.
Hey.
Hay for horses.
Do you want to know what the best drum or the best present is?
The best present for what?
The best present ever.
A drummer?
No, it's a broken drum because you can't beat it.
Oh, Jeffrey.
Stainless?
Stainless.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know if these are like semi-sticky. The washers are, but not really.
In the nut. Barely.
Stainless, right?
So it's just
The lock washers.
yeah, it's just the lock washer is all. We'll put them over here.
I don't have my big clips. Huh? Oh, this is loose, huh?
They're loose, yeah. Once they get loose, they're done.
I'm gonna lay this over here for you.
Did I get this sealed unit?
Huh? If not, you can always put it on mine.
What does that say, 11?
17. $24. Ah, there's another motor. Got one more in here. Where'd he at?
That's a heck of a dolly.
Yeah. The dude was gonna throw it away. It's brand new. It's got the tags, the labels, everything on it.
Axles.
That you buy them separately.
Do you?
Yeah, I actually have the same one in my backyard. I have the axles at the house. Is that a motor, Jeff?
Have the irony?
No, I'm talking about that little guy right there. I got. Oh, what'd you do, Jeff?
What'd you do?
See, it's trying to say, don't let me go. I want to go with you.
Where's your snip?
Let me go. Don't let Jeff have me. You can have it. I don't need one. I am reducing.
You sure?
I don't have time to go to the pawn shop even.
You're not a pack rat no more?
Not this week.
Not this week.
Maybe not this month even. Is that a motor?
Sure.
Yeah?
Sure.
Sure? Are you just saying that? Oh, I got my my fan too. Yeah, those are nice, huh? Those are pretty nice, right? Nice big old lights. What's the deal with this? It looks like it's fiberglass.
Or cardboard.
Isn't it a drivetrain?
Drive shaft, yeah.
It made out of cardboard?
Fiberglass-ish.
Is there anything?
Lightweight.
Anything?
Out there.
Anything better than that? Dang. Last time I trust Kev. No, don't take my bike. I'm gonna take that home.
You literally just said not this week.
No, I want my kids have been fighting over the bikes I keep bringing home. And this is a little bit bigger, like they might want this.
Okay.
I gotta wait till they're done fighting over bikes.
Oh,
that guy goes, yeah, for sure. I got some lead too.
You all club cars?
What's lead pay, Jeffy? Huh? Oh yeah, that's not great. I'll sort this out later. This is an empty guy. Number one lead. Where's number one lead go?
And the orange one.
Orange one?
Sure. It's all good.
10 pounds of lead. $5? That's 50 cents a pound? Wow. That's the good stuff.
That's the good stuff right there.
That's a good. What are you paying on the drivetrains again?
What?
What are you paying on those drivetrains again?
5 cents? What do you get?
What's that?
Percent.
7.5.
7.5?
Yeah. Oh, I'm a baller like that, Jeff. I'm a baller like that. Ah. Do you get the rest of those pots? You want these two? Sure. Hang on. I gotta get my wire to you. It's probably a $50 bill. How's my total looking? Good? Oh, I got something for you too.
60.
We'll take it. I don't know what that one is.
Can't tell. I'll take a torch. Does it say Erie?
I know what that one is.
Oh, Wagner, wow. 18, oh,
No, that's just, I think it's a newer one though.
that's a newer one, yeah. That I think is a, that's one.
A Wagner?
No. I
Griswold?
think so.
I don't know. You appreciate him much more than I do, Jeff.
What stays in the corner but travels all over the world?
What's what and what?
What stays in the corner and travels all over the world?
Stays in the corner and travels all around the world. Oh. A spider web?
Stamp.
Stamp.
Stays in the corner and goes all over the world.
That's true. What's round, shiny, and says amen?
What's round, shiny, it says amen.
It doesn't say amen. It says ahem. It says, looks like amen, but it's not amen. That's an H. A cough drop. Worst joke ever. I can't even find good jokes anymore.
How can you go surfing in the kitchen?
Surfing in the kitchen. Well,
On the microwave.
on the microwave. What should a car driver do if he sees a spaceman?
A car driver do if he sees a spaceman do the moonwalk?
Park in it, man.
Park in it, man.
A space man.
That's so bad. That joke, that book is horrible.
Well, let's go right to the knock knock jokes because they're Jeff's favorites. Knock knock.
It's like Christmas lights. Who's there?
Teresa.
Teresa who?
Teresa Green in summer. Teresa Green.
I'm sorry, world. I'm sorry.
Wow. Worst jokes. Alrighty guys, we're waiting paid. Sorry you're stuck with static image today. I was running late to pick people's up, and so I have to do this from the homestead. So not a bad day. We found some nice junks. Not a bunch of pickers. Still had a bunch of rain on and off. Hopefully it's not like that all week, because it certainly does affect people putting stuff out, but it certainly didn't today. So let's dive into our receipt. 1,540 pounds, almost a ton. Not really, we're short by 500 pounds, but not a bad day, not a bad day. 7.5 cents a pound for $115.50. The stainless steel clean, one of those buckets had those bolts that I was looking at. Those were all stainless steel. So stainless steel clean, 13 pounds, 40 cents a pound for $5.20. Sealed unit came out of the AC from yesterday, 24 pounds, 22 cents a pound for $5.28. Irony heavy was that saw, 72 pounds, 25 cents a pound for 18 bucks. Electric motors were a couple off the dishwasher. Fan from yesterday, I think that was it. 26 cents a pound for $3.90. Number one lead. One of the buckets had some lead in it too. 10 pounds, 50 cents a pound for $5. Iron and Light was our dirty aluminum, 18 pounds, 33 cents a pound for $5.94. And 4 pounds of clean aluminum at 45 cents for $1.80, for a grand total today of $160.62. We'll take her. Much better than yesterday. It felt much more like a normal run. When I ran into Kevin at the yard, he's like, "Did you run the normal route today?" I'm like, "Yeah, I ran regular day." He actually just said he did a pickup. He didn't run the normal route. He thought things were still going to be gummed up a bit. They still might be, because like I said, tomorrow the route that I run was run on Monday. I know that because I live in that area, and they should have picked up our large items tomorrow, but they picked up my big huge pile of large items I've had out there for over a week on Monday. So it'll be interesting to see what tomorrow brings, whether they'll be back in the regular schedule, whether they'll still be behind. I'm not sure what they're doing. The large item stuff is definitely gummed up right now because of the storms. The truck that came through was actually a dumpster truck. It had the little forks on the front that lift them. So they've got all kind of trucks out here trying to get caught up, but who knows when that's going to happen. But we'll be out after it, rain or shine, and hopefully we find some good things. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for stopping by today. I appreciate you guys spending a little time with me. It's much appreciated. So it's Nacho Stuff. Doesn't mean you can't take someone else's trash and turn it into cash. So until tomorrow, be safe, be happy, and we'll see you guys then.